Hello friends, I'm Esan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is video tour of Gracious Tower number 2 located in JP Nagar BDA layout off Kanakpura Road and Banagatta Road. Fully developed area. Very good option for self-use as well as rental income. Ground floor 1 BHK, first floor 2 BHK. Second, third floor and fourth floor triplex 4 BHK owner unit. First we will directly see this main house, owner house. Second floor onwards this house starts. Main entrance right in the northeast corner, planned as per Vastu. 30 feet wide tar road is there, Kaveri water, own borewell. Developed BDA allotted layout, BDA Ekhatha site. So this is the large living room. Light color granite flooring has been done. Very sturdy granite. More stronger than marble, and the color it looks like marble actually. It's very light shade. Roadside facing living room, measuring almost 25 feet long. Separate dining area. Lift is there directly for this duplex house. From the parking directly you can enter the house. This is the lift opening. And this is dining area. Central atrium is there in the center of this staircase. You can see this atrium here. Beautiful chandelier will be hanged in front in the center of this flower shaped false ceiling work. Stainless steel railing, lift work, bathroom fittings, final painting, polishing is yet to be done. This is puja room, east and west orientation. So north facing 30 by 40, 1200 square feet land area. White color wall tiles have been used in the puja. Teakwood main door will be fitted. So there are two portions. Either this place or that place you can make into a dining table area. Kitchen is in the southeast corner. Fully modular kitchen. Branded hardware. Granite platform, soft closing channels, lots of storage space, and vertical storage rack is also there. All the houses have LPG copper pipeline from the parking area. So this is a vertical storage rack. Adjacent utility space is also there. Colored laminates inside outside, matte finish laminates inside, outside glossy laminates, galaxy granite on the counter. Next to the kitchen this is utility space. Overall 4800 square feet of super built up area. So this is the second floor. Hand wash basin, countertop hand wash basin will be fitted to the left side. In the southwest corner this is first bedroom, spacious bedroom with wardrobe, dressing, attached bathroom. Master bedroom is there on the upper floor, second level of this house, third floor of the overall building. Later I will show you the 1 BHK and 2 BHK which is on the first floor and ground floor, which can be rented out. So this is the first bathroom. Attached bathroom with 2x4 tiles, wall tiles. All doors have veneer and polished doors. 4 feet wide staircase. Stainless steel railing will be provided with glass. And this is the next level. Lift opens till here. So this is another family area. There is a study table and laundry space. You can keep your washing machine here. Inlet, outlet, power point is there. And this is the main master bedroom in the southwest corner. Very large room for a 30-40 house. Complete end-to-end full 30 feet space has been utilized minus the setback space. So you have two sections, center sliding door section, and right side and left side normal openable doors. Two dressing areas are there, This one to the right side, dressing mirror, independent one, and again this side covered dressing area with the large mirror and attached bathroom here. Wall mounted toilet, shower area, hand wash basin will be provided. Anti-skid flooring. Jaguar Hindware brand fittings will be provided in the bathrooms. And about the lift, totally the lift has 3 landings: ground floor, second floor and third floor. Only the duplex house, the main house owners will be able to utilize the lift. Ground floor and first floor will not have lift access. Easy to maintain. So this is third bedroom, roadside, with a balcony in the northeast corner, TV unit, attached bathroom and wardrobes. This is the balcony right in the northeast corner. Granite flooring, 2x4 wall tiles, false ceiling with LED lighting. Glossy laminates have been used. And this is the bathroom here. Even the bathrooms have veneer doors. Solar provision is there. Electric geyser points, AC points, all branded fittings. Light, fan, geysers, solar needs to be installed by the purchasers. POP LED lighting will be provided, and this place will have one chandelier here in the center, as I mentioned earlier. This is the central atrium. We have reached the top floor. Top floor has this bedroom here. One more thing is all the doors and windows are teakwood. All door frames and windows 100% teakwood has been used. This is the fourth bedroom with attached bathroom and wardrobes. Very good option for those who want to have self-use house and rental income. Ground floor 1 BHK 10,000 and 2 BHK 20,000 easily you can expect. Minimum rent I'm telling. Otherwise 2 families plus ground floor can be your home office. So fully built property, 4.5 floors of construction. This is the terrace area. Waterproof roof. Further terrace is there on top. This is the iron ladder, overhead tank, and also washing stone is there. Pillar based construction. Now let's see the 2 BHK which is on the first floor. This is the 2 BHK. Again planned as per Vastu, right in the northeast corner entrance, east facing main door, solid teakwood door, large living room same as the duplex house above, TV unit, veneer with polish. Partition has this designer wooden partition with glass on top. Between kitchen and living room, these 2 separate halls are there. One place you can have a study room, another place dining, and this is kitchen in the southeast with utility space. Granite platform, sink, baskets, and this is the utility space. Washing machine can be kept here, and puja room is there in the center. This is east facing puja room. Door will be fitted, solid teakwood door. There is also one water point to the left side, hand wash basin point. If you want, you can keep washing machine also there. And this is the master bedroom in the southwest corner with attached bathroom. Study table is made within the wardrobe, dressing mirror. And now to the second bedroom. This 2 BHK, both the rooms have attached bathrooms. This is the second bedroom with attached bathroom, wall to wall wardrobes. All the rooms in this building, there are totally 7 rooms in this building. All can accommodate king size cots, so rooms are really spacious. Need not worry about the floor plan. Once you visit, you will be able to understand. Rooms are very standard. So that was the second bedroom with attached bathroom. Also there was a water point, if you notice. Now we are back to the ground floor. Ground floor has about 2/3 space as parking area, and this is 1/3 space as 1 BHK. 3 cars can be parked, multiple two-wheelers can be parked. This is a proper 1 BHK. Living, TV unit, kitchen, puja room is there next to kitchen in the northeast. Facing of this house is to the north. This is the puja room, east and west orientation. TV unit here. Again washing machine point, common bathroom. This bathroom will have a PVC door, and this is the bedroom. All of the details are given in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.